Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another how-to video. Today, Chef's going to show us how to make some breakfast pizza. We are at the start of October, which is one of the Cooking Corner's favorite times of the year to have some fun, scare up some fun, make some good eats for some Halloween parties to come. The weather's cooling down, and this is a great way to warm up. So, let's go ahead and get cooking. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and grease your cooking pan, and you can use a little bit of melted butter or a little bit of spray. Then next up, since we kind of want to make things easier, we already got our pre-made pizza crust that you can buy at the store, and just lay this out on that cookie sheet and spread out the ends evenly, just like so. Chef's now going to go ahead and put some more melted butter right on the top, and he's going to put these in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 8 minutes or so. While the oven is cooking that pizza crust, Chef's going to warm up some sausage. He's going to start cooking his eggs. He's going to do all the prep work on the side to make this video a little faster. Don't worry, Chef said that he will show you how to make his famous scrambled eggs in another video. He did promise us that. Right, Chef? Good. Okay, so it's been about 8 minutes and the crust is golden brown. And the first thing we want to do is spread the scrambled eggs right over the top. And next add some sharp cheddar cheese to that. And again, the ingredients is really up to you. We're just going to show you what we put together as a team here. After that, on the right hand side viewing, Chef's going to do some chopped up peppers and onions, kind of like a vegetarian side. And then on the right hand side, left hand side, if I can get those straight. Oh, watch out for the camera bump. He's going to go ahead and put some sausage. He's going to make it like a meat lover side. And then a little bit of cooked, chopped up bacon. And all the ingredients have been cooked already because this is just going to get warmed in the oven again. So everything, the bacon, the sausage has all been set. Placed it on top like so. And now put this back in the oven for about 400 degrees. Now at about 10 minutes or so. And let everything warm up. Let that cheese melt. And it's going to look just like this. Now don't forget, all of our ingredients will be down below. And Chef's just going to go ahead and cut this up. Not sure why I didn't pull it off the tray, but that's up to him. And don't forget to check out our blog that will show you how to put this all together. And that's really it. That was the simplest way. We kind of made this video short because we really cooked everything on the side. But just go ahead and get a pizza crust, put all your toppings together, lay them all out, and then cook it. Thanks everyone. We hope this is a great start for our fun Halloween season. Subscribe if you're new. We'd love to have you on board. And don't forget everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.